Oh, Pierce Benny is sleeping. What was that?
I'm tired.
You are. Come on. Let's get you out of here. Oh. There we go. Okay. Benny, what are the two special events?
My birthday and my Valentine's.
And your Valentine's? How about Valentine's Day?
And Valentine's Day.
Here, how about you get up?
Mama.
Our parents' room is getting painted. Like, painted white. Come on. Oh, come on.
We're like 2,000 pounds.
Yeah, that's believable. Get up.
Here, just help me.
Come on.
Hey.
Come on. What'd you say?
Wreck.
Oh, Wreck-It Ralph. When did we get that?
For my birthday.
Who? Okay, whatever. Come on.
Think about what you... I don't want to think about... I don't want to think about... Let's play some Minecraft.
No. Come on.
Dude, why not?
Cuz. Come on.
Can we ask my mom?
Say Valentine's Day. Say my birthday.
Let's ask my mom if we can play Wreck-It Ralph. We could play Xbox.
Say Xbox.
Xbox.
Benny, let's just wait. Just keep on going. Cause. Hey, listen to this, a fart. Benny, you farted, Amber.
I don't want to go.
Can you fart? Do you have any farts coming again? Do one of your mouth farts. Do one of your mouth farts. Here, fart. Here. Oh my God. Here, do it again.
That hurt.
I believe it did. Just do it again one more time. Then we can go. Come on.
Then we can play Wreck-It Ralph.
Yeah, come on. His pants ripped. Are you really that tired? Are you really that tired?
No, I'm not. No, I'm not.
Here,
You hear that?
top this. Here, Benny, get up in the camera. like this.
I'm going for a real fart. Get the lighter.
No.
Just joking.
Benny, come on.
I want to Mom, can we play Wreck-It Ralph? Me and my father play Wreck-It Ralph. What? Me and my brother play Wreck-It Ralph. Can you play Wreck-It Ralph? Me and my brother. What do you think? No.
Hey, Benny, I think you have a fart coming, don't you? See what that... This is Bane farting. Bane, do a fart. Bane, can you fart?
Yes, I can.
Okay. Go. I think you're going to need to check that. Okay. Burp, goodbye. No, no.
Watch this. Let's see if I can make it.
No, Benny, the wall just got painted. What? Is that a door? Oh, that's the closet door. Okay, just burp goodbye. Boy.
Like my
Check
shirt?
out his shirt. What's that thing? That Enderman?
Yeah, that's Enderman.
Here, let's do a little tickle. God. Oh, Lord. Oh, not in my mouth. Okay.